my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a tour of our living room and entryway area, primarily because this is the only area in our home that's fully finished. So we're kind of going to show you guys the rooms as they become complete and finished, and this just happens to be the first room. So yeah, I want to share with you guys how we styled it and how we made this living room kind of cozy and our style. So the first thing that's in this room, as soon as you come into the door to the right, is this bench. And we got this bench from at home, and we decided to put it next to the window because Dakota loves looking out the window. So this is like a perfect little lounge bench for her. We also really loved the color of this bench because for this room we're going for very earth tones, neutrals, mixed woods. So when we saw that this was like a neutral beige bench with some rustic wood, we thought it was perfect. And also it's like a nice combination of like luxe and earthy because it has like a button cushion, which is really comfortable. And then we just kind of threw on 2 neutral pillows onto the bench to make it a little bit more cozy, even though Dakota tends to throw them on the floor when she chills on there, but they look really nice. So we got like a dark brown earth toned pillow with some texture, and then a neutral white pillow as well. You guys will kind of see throughout the tour that I really liked to mix texture and tones, like earth tones. So like this texture of this pillow mixed with the button cushioned, I don't know, it's just like playing around with texture really helps bring areas to life. All right, so then right next to the bench, we have this olive faux tree. It is not real because I cannot keep trees alive to save my life. So we got a fake one from Target, and it's just an olive tree. We got this planter from Home Depot, and again, just working with like neutrals and mixed textures. This planter is like a ceramic planter, and it has like a lot of texture on it, so we loved that, and it kind of just brings more earth tones to the room. So right next to the tree, we have the couch, which is a low modern couch. We wanted to go with a gray one because a gray one is very easy to style. And then we have like neutral pillows. I have a textured blanket that I just kind of lounge on the side. And again, we just went with neutral because neutral couches are like the easiest to style, and it's pretty comfy as well. On top of the couch, we decided to go with 2 frames that we actually found at Target. I was gravitated towards this because I wanted something that had a pattern on it to kind of just add character to the room. I didn't want to do like a photo. I wanted to do something that kind of added character to the room. So when we saw this print at Target, I thought it was perfect for this room, and I love the wooden framed around it. So this is kind of that area. It's just a gray couch with some pillows on it and then some framed patterns above it. So next to the couch, we put this ladder right here that holds our blankets. And honestly, we just needed something to kind of make the room symmetrical because since we have the plant on that side, we needed to find something to put on this side, and we figured a ladder, like a wooden ladder with blankets on it, was perfect because we're going for that very earthy wood vibe. So that's there. And then also like when guests come over, if they want to get cozy in the family room, they just grab a blankie and go. And next to the couch, we have these 2 accent chairs from Target. They are just neutral chairs that have wooden arms and legs, and again, there's nothing in this room that has this wood color, so we like to play around with woods to kind of bring the room to life, and they're very comfortable as well. And now onto my favorite part, the coffee table. All right, so now onto my favorite part of the room, which is the coffee table. This coffee table is from Amazon. We actually saw it on Walmart, and then when we went to buy it, it was sold out. So we just searched it on Amazon, and it was on Amazon as well. And this is a drum table. It has a drum design, so it's hollow. I really like the shape of the table because I feel like it adds a focal point in the room. And the color is like a whitewashed wood, so it's really complementary with all the neutrals that we have going on. I'm still not done figuring out how I want to decorate the coffee table, so I just added a few things. Some beads, some coffee table books, this really interestingly shaped vase that I got from at home, some coasters, and then some candles. So I'm still playing around with it, but I really love this coffee table. It was like the perfect addition to the room. I'm gonna move on to basically the wall that's right across the living room, which is also our entryway, foyer area. And we wanted to go with, again, woods because we're really into that. So we got this wooden console table from World Market, and we wanted it to be something that's wood but also luxe. And I feel like the shape of the legs are just very like luxe and fancy, so we really love that. We got this lamp from at home, and I love how it looks very antique, very vintage. And then we got this wooden piece also from At Home, and we kind of just keep our keys in there and like miscellaneous stuff. We try not to keep it messy, but it tends to get messy here and there with like our masks, gloves, and stuff like that. And then over there we just have a vase with some pampas grass to give this table a little bit of height. We love pampas grass. We love adding pampas grass as like an accent all around the house. And then we have this circle mirror from Target, which was originally gold, but we just spray painted it black. Then we also got these two wired baskets from At Home, and we keep some books in there, some pillows, and then this basket in the middle is for Dakota's leash and toys and stuff. Alright, so that's basically it for our living room and entryway tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link everything down below if you're interested in any of these furniture pieces or any of the products mentioned here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!